Hey Fish Fam, your Daddy Fish Keeper here, and today pag-uusapan natin all about flowerhorn fish at kung paano ako naging isang flowerhorn keeper and flowerhorn breeder. So according sa internet, yung flowerhorn fish or flowerhorn cichlids are a hybrid fish species that originated in Southeast Asia in the 1990s, meaning hindi sila nakikita sa wild. They are a cross between several cichlid species, including the three-spot cichlid. Okay, so the flowerhorn fish, it was gradually developed by breeders in Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, with each one crossing it with a new strain or species to produce entirely different types of flowerhorn fish. So yung distinctive na feature ng flowerhorn fish is yung vibrant colors, distinctive hump or yung commonly known as cook, at yung intricate patterns nila. So they also have vibrant patterns and markings such as pearls, flower markings, and pearly eyes. So they have also variety of colors including red, orange, yellow, blue, and green. So talagang mamamangha ka sa ganda talaga ng flowerhorn fish, no? So ngayon, dadapo naman tayo kung paano at bakit ako nag-start mag-keep at mag-breed ng flowerhorn fish. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako nga pala yung owner ng Fishtopia Aquatic Pet Shop. And unfortunately, due to personal reasons, is nag-close na yung shop namin. So after pag-close ng shop, medyo natigil tayo sa pag-aalaga ng isda. But of course, sabi nila, once a fish keeper, always a fish keeper. So after 1 year ng pag-close ng shop, is nag-try din ako mag-alaga ng iba't ibang uri ng isda like betta fish, at even tried yung aquascaping, no? But this time, gusto kong mag-focus doon sa pag-breeding. So, nag-try ako ng iba't ibang uri ng isda like guppies, mulies. Unfortunately, hindi nag-workout sa akin yung pag-breed ng mga ganitong uri ng isda. And finally, around April last year, 2024, naisipan kong mag-alaga ulit ng flowerhorn fish. Kaya ito yung first flowerhorn ko talaga. And nakita ko na talagang malaki yung potential niya. So, yung ginawa ko is ginroom ko siya talaga. So, by the way, ito pa yung itsura nung nag-groom ko na siya. So, talagang unti-unti siyang lumaki. And naisipan ko din na since marunong naman din ako mag-alaga at mag-breed ng flowerhorn, why not try na rin mag-breed, no? So, ginawa ko siyang breeder ko. First male na flowerhorn fish breeder ko. So, dito talaga nagsimula yung flowerhorn keeping and breeding journey ko sa flowerhorn na to. So, kitang-kita nyo naman, napakagandang flowerhorn. At yung unang ginawa ko talaga is after ko na groom at napalaki yung flowerhorn na to, is naghanap ako ng female. So, hindi naging madali sa akin ang paghahanap ng suitable female kasi yun yung mahirap sa pag-breed ng flowerhorn, yung pag-prepare sa kanila. And luckily, yung nakuha kong flowerhorn na female is proven na, meaning nakapag-breed na siya. But of course, yung male natin is first time pa niya mag-breed. So, talagang naswertehan tayo at nakapag-breed tayo agad ng flowerhorn. So, napakaganda ng mga parents na to. Ito yung first batch na na-breed ko. And so far naman, meron na tayong mga sample grow-outs na sobrang ganda rin ng result. Kaya nga nag-breed ako ulit sa kanila kasi sa first result is maganda yung kinalabasan. Ito naman yung mga sample grow-outs natin, no? Ito yung first batch. So, kung titingnan nyo talagang napakaganda. Malaki yung cook. Saka pearly and very aggressive. So, makikita dyan kung ito kasi yung first result talaga ng first breeding ko. So, and ito naman yung kapatid niya. And actually meron na tayong mga na-release na mga flower horn, mga kapatid nito, and I'm sure malalaki na rin yun. So for now, as you can see, talagang maganda yung result ng first breeding natin. So as shown rin sa beginning ng video na to, ito pala yung latest na na-breed natin. Same parents pa rin. So second batch na to nila. And so far so good. Naging successful yung breeding natin kahit nasa floor yung mga eggs. And by the way, kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano mag-breed ng flower horn, you can just type in or comment in kung paano, para magawan ko rin ng content kung paano ako nag-breed ng flower horn successfully. So, as you can see, ito yung latest nila na video. So, they are already around 13 days from hatching, no? So, medyo malaki-laki na rin sila. And later on, magpapakain na tayo ng siguro yung processed food or yung pellets. So, dito na muna magtatapos ang ating video, and thank you so much for watching, Fish Fam. So, for more contents, by the way, share and like na rin. And kung pwede, pwede din kayo mag-send ng star sa page natin kasi binigyan tayo ni Facebook ng opportunity na maka-earn while uploading contents na rin. Okay? So, I think that's it for now, and happy fish keeping, everyone!